I've decided to do a second giveaway for my supporters who do not have a Facebook page. You will also receive a Alkaline gift basket that will be customized with some of my favorite Alkaline treats, and it will include mock chocolate donuts, mock pumpkin spice donuts, Rice Krispy walnut butter treats, granola bars, sesame seed bars with strawberries, and mock honey roasted walnuts. The requirements to enter the second giveaway will be you must be subscribed to this channel with notifications turned on, like this video, and comment "I want to win" in the comment section below. Like the first giveaway, the second giveaway starts today, October 2nd, and lasts for 30 days. The winner will be randomly selected and will be announced on November 1st. If you are selected, you will have 3 days to respond, or another winner will be chosen. If you are interested in participating in the first giveaway, you can click the video below to get complete details. Thank you again for your support.